I'm starting off this DIY project with hangers that can be gotten from the Dollar Tree, Walmart, or Amazon as well. I'm also going to be using these beautiful dishes from the Dollar Tree. I'll be holding two pieces of hangers together like this with foam boards. I'm going to be covering up the pieces with mirror reflective paper. I get this from Amazon, and the link for it is going to be down in the description box below. I use a lot of Amazon items together with Dollar Tree items, and they go well together. And I've been using it for the longest time ever since I started my channel. It is super affordable, and it also comes in gold. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. Now that I have both hangers held together with the help of the foam board, I'm going to flip it now to the front, and I'm going to have lighting in the middle. And I'll be using this shell-shaped dish over the lighting to add to the design. At the last minute, I decided to spray paint the hangers silver. I changed the color because in this design, I feel like it's gonna go better with silver and having the shell-shaped dish too around it. I'm also gonna be adding bling wrap to the hangers. Another idea, and this is totally optional, you can cover the entire back with bling wrap. I just didn't want to do that because I feel like the attention was going to go away from the shell-shaped dish to the bling wrap. That's why I left the bottom open. So I'm going to be applying bling wrap to just the hangers alone and leaving the back empty. At the sides where all the bling wrap meet will be covered with pieces that I cut out from a mirror tile. Now the dish is going to be glued at the top like this. When I was done, I mounted this up on the wall, and this is what it looks like. It is a beautiful source of lighting, and it's also hard to tell from afar that it was made with hangers and a Dollar Tree shell-shaped dish. I do have another lighting idea using the same dishes from the Dollar Tree, but this time around, I'll be using a paper towel holder for the back. That's gonna hold the dish. I'm going to use some force to bend this just a bit at an angle in such a way that it's going to be mounted on the wall and sit comfortably. Now I'm going to take napkin holders, and the link for all these items are going to be down in the description box below. I will glue the napkin holders on the paper towel holder. Now I want it having something in the middle, and because the paper towel holder has a big opening in the middle, this is going to make it perfect for me to cover it up and have a surface where I can comfortably glue what I have on top of it. Mirror tiles is what I'm going to use, and I cut it from a pack of tiles, and I have just a single strip This is going to be glued in the middle and leaving me with gold borders, as you can see, showing by the side. Now I'm going to be drilling out holes on the shell-shaped dish at the bottom and holes at the top too as well, for me to easily pass zip ties through them to hold the dish to the paper towel holder. I'm gonna have lighting at the back like this, and the only way I could find for this to stay in place was to use corner braces and attach it to the paper towel holder with zip tie and then glue the base of the lighting to the corner brace. This is how it's going to be moving, but it's okay because it's going to be mounted on a wall where it's going to sit flat to the wall. I'll be using this gold leaf paint around the edges of the dish. For those of you who were not aware that I made a live video some days ago, well, yes, I did. And this was a project that I did on my live video. It was such an interactive DIY, and I will leave a link for that live video down in the description box below. When I was done, I used gems to cover up the zip ties. Now, the whole idea of having gold around the edges was so that I can have a little bit of gold there, because I do have gold that's on the paper towel holder, so I just feel like it's good to have gold there too. Now, the second piece that I made did not have the gold highlight, and I did that because I couldn't just see the difference from afar. As you can see here, this one's got the gold and the other one doesn't, but it's so hard to see, so I just left it the way it is. The lights are not just looking artistic on the wall, but they're also functional because they give out lighting. Now, looking at the first DIY that I made with the hangers, and the second one is in the paper towel holders, all look so pretty, and I love the way they all turned out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.